Introduction. Elephants are the largest land animals, known for their unique physical features, social behavior, and intelligence. There are two species of elephants, the African elephant and the Asian elephant. Both species face numerous threats, including habitat loss, poaching, and human-elephant conflicts. In this paper, we will explore the physical characteristics, behavior, habitat, and conservation efforts of elephants. Physical characteristics. Elephants are known for their distinctive features, including their long trunks, large ears, and curved tusks. The trunk is a fusion of the nose and upper lip and is used for various purposes, such as breathing, smelling, drinking, and grabbing objects. The large ears are used for cooling down the body temperature and for communication. Elephants also have a thick skin that can be up to 3 cm thick, which protects them from insect bites and the sun's rays. The tusks are elongated teeth that are used for defense, digging, and manipulating objects. African elephants are larger than Asian elephants, with males standing up to 4 meters tall and weighing up to 7,000 kilograms, while Asian males stand up to 3 meters tall and weigh up to 5,500 kilograms. African elephants have 2 fingers at the end of their trunks, while Asian elephants have only 1. Additionally, African elephants have larger ears than Asian elephants, which are shaped like the African continent. The tusks of African elephants are also larger than those of Asian elephants, with some African tusks reaching up to 3 meters in length. Behavior. Elephants are highly social animals that live in complex family structures. Female elephants, known as cows, live in herds led by a matriarch, the oldest and most experienced female. Male elephants, known as bulls, tend to be more solitary, only joining the herd during the breeding season. Elephants communicate through a variety of vocalizations, such as trumpeting, rumbling, and grunting, as well as through body language, such as ear flapping and tail wagging. Elephants are also known for their intelligence and memory. They have the largest brain of any land animal, and their long lifespan of up to 70 years allows them to accumulate a wealth of knowledge and experience. Elephants have been observed exhibiting behaviors such as problem-solving, empathy, and even mourning the loss of their companions. They also have an excellent sense of smell, which they use to detect water sources and locate other elephants. Habitat. Elephants are found in a variety of habitats, from the savannas and grasslands of Africa to the dense forests and mountains of Asia. African elephants are found in 37 countries across the continent, while Asian elephants are found in 13 countries in Asia. Elephants are herbivores and consume large quantities of vegetation each day, with African elephants consuming up to 450 kilograms of food per day and Asian elephants consuming up to 150 kilograms. One of the main threats to elephants is habitat loss due to human activities such as deforestation, agriculture, and infrastructure development. As their natural habitats shrink, elephants are increasingly coming into contact with humans, leading to conflicts over resources and even fatalities. Additionally, elephants are targeted by poachers for their ivory tusks, which are highly valuable on the black market. Conservation efforts. The conservation of elephants is a global effort involving governments, conservation organizations, and local communities. One of the most effective ways to protect elephants is to protect their habitat. This involves initiatives such as creating protected areas and reducing human activities that contribute to deforestation and habitat destruction. Governments can also enforce laws and regulations to reduce poaching and the illegal trade in ivory. Conservation organizations also play a crucial role in elephant conservation, providing funding, research, and educational support for conservation efforts. Organizations such as the World Wildlife Fund, Elephant Crisis Fund, and Save the Elephants work to raise awareness about the threats facing elephants and promote conservation initiatives. They also work with local communities to develop sustainable livelihoods that support elephant conservation. In addition to habitat protection, there are other strategies being implemented to conserve elephants. One of these strategies is elephant relocation, which involves moving elephants from areas where they are at risk of conflict with humans to safer areas. This can be a challenging and expensive process, but it has been successful in some cases. Another strategy is the use of deterrents such as electric fences and chili peppers to prevent elephants from raiding crops and entering human settlements. Finally, there is a growing movement to promote ecotourism as a way to support elephant conservation. Responsible tourism practices can provide income to local communities while promoting the protection of elephants and their habitat. However, it is important that ecotourism is managed carefully to ensure that it does not have negative impacts on elephants or their habitats. Conclusion: elephants are magnificent creatures with unique physical features, complex social behavior, and high levels of intelligence. However, they face numerous threats to their survival, including habitat loss, poaching, and human-elephant conflicts. The conservation of elephants is a global effort involving governments, conservation organizations, and local communities. Through habitat protection, relocation, deterrence, and ecotourism, we can work to ensure that elephants continue to thrive for generations to come.